I'm here today to share with you an original Torrijas recipe. It's not mine, I've watched it on the TV. It's from Chef Peña. I don't know if you know him, but he is very famous and a very good chef. The first thing we need to say is that torrijas is a very important dessert, especially these days at Easter. We mainly cook and eat torrijas at Easter, but you can find them if you're going out to restaurants anytime in the year, okay? Firstly, we need to know the ingredients. Which are the ingredients? We need some milk. We need some butter. We need some sugar. Well, I don't have white sugar, so I'll put brown sugar. We'll need some cinnamon sticks. We need a slice of ginger root, and the main ingredient is dry bread. Okay? Let's see the steps. The first step is to cut the bread into small pieces. After chopping the dry bread, we leave it. Let's leave it here. And we add some milk in the saucepan. We add some milk in the saucepan with some cinnamon sticks. Let's put 3 instead of 2, 3 cinnamon sticks. And we slice the ginger roots, and we added all these things into the milk to infuse it. Now we heat it, and when it's hot, we'll add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Not before, because otherwise the sugar will get burnt. It's very important to follow the chef advice. So let's heat it. Once the milk is heated, and when it's still hot, we add the dry bread cut into small pieces into the hot milk. And we mix the bread with the infused milk till we get a dough. Till we get a dough, like when you are doing other kinds of desserts, okay? Finally, you add an egg to this dough, and you mix everything. The milk, the dry bread, and the egg already beaten. Of course, you need to beat it before. Okay, and once you get it very well mixed, you leave it 5-10 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to prepare our frying pan with some butter and a drop of olive oil. We've got the frying pan, and I'll add a tablespoon of a big tablespoon of butter, and let me see where it is, and a big drop of olive oil. Now you can get a strainer and try to get the dough out and get it ready to shape it with 2 tablespoons, avoiding the cinnamon sticks and the ginger pieces. Well, to be honest, it's the first time I've cooked or I'm cooking torrijas in my life. So please forgive me if they won't look very well in the end. I'm trying to do my best, and this video is for you, not only because I want you to cook if you're having free time. I know you're having free time, but it's a good way. It's a good way to make the most of your dry bread. So you've got 2 reasons to cook now: because you have time and because you can make the most of your dry bread. And then I've made this video because I want you to practice your listening and your English, guys. Of course, if you have other recipes or another recipe you want to share with me, don't hesitate. Record a video, shoot a video, and send it to me, to my mail, for me to watch and see how well your English is. Okay? Now, once we've got the dough ready, we need to shape our torrijas with 2 tablespoons, like if they were croquettes. Okay? Very carefully. Right. We've got 1. You see? You need to make them carefully, shape them with care. I love croquettes. I don't know if you like them, but I love them. And they need to have more or less the same shape. Now we start melting the butter. And once it's melted, we add a big drop of olive oil. Once you fry them, leave them onto kitchen paper to remove the oil excess. And as you can see, they are already made. The first doesn't look as well as the rest, but now we have it. As I told you, I'm not a professional cook. I don't like cooking, but this is the first time I've made my torrijas and I wanted to share it with you. I hope you try it and you like this recipe. Okay? Bye. See you guys. Now let's taste them.